Maybe it sounds strange, but what I find most creative CEO entrepreneurs is that they try to implement all those playbooks and step-by-step programs, and they kind of upset because they don't get results they want. Our masculine energy, we don't know how to receive, right? We just act, do, blueprint, another blueprint, structure, action. And we are very upset when we don't get results that we want. Hey, I'm Inga Grinko. I'm the founder of I'm Fashion and CEO of Bosch Paris, and I help emerging fashion and creative entrepreneurs grow their brands. So this is a collective message, and the message that I received this morning is that we need to be more in this receiving mode, in feminine energy. And feminine energy means you do less and you expect to receive more. So this word receive is usually misunderstood because whether we consider we don't deserve to receive, so we need to do a lot of work, a lot of movement, a lot of noise before we can get anything from life. So we are in this action mode. And when we are in this action mode, we basically cut our feminine energy and we stay in the masculine energy. But you know, the world is all about balance because there is a disbalance between what you do and what you receive. And usually, if you fill in all the space with this action mode, you cut the receiver mode. You cut the feminine energy. So when you cut the feminine energy, you will not receive the results you want. That's simple. That's simple. So let me explain. When you have this feminine energy flowing through you and you accept it, you stay in receiver mode, you do less, but you enjoy this process of doing less. You keep more time for you, more time for silence, more time for reflection, more time for not doing anything. You will get better results than what you have now. Because the collective message, again, is to start receiving. Maybe you've been working for the last 10 years, building your brand, being in these endless cycles of seasons, shootings, delivering collections, sales, delivering collections, shootings, but the profitability is low. You don't get results you want, you don't get clients you want, clients are always complaining, they don't like the delays, they don't like the pre-orders, they don't like whatever. What happens is that you will continue to turn around in the same place, you will not grow. You will stay in this action mode place and you completely cut off the receiver mode. You cut off your feminine energy. We are too much into this masculine energy of results and we don't accept to receive. And your job as entrepreneur, feminine, masculine, I don't care, to learn to receive. Which means basically you need to come up with a kind of routine, kind of structure for your days, for your weeks, where you can do nothing. Okay, it can be completely controversial to what you have experienced until now, where we see the business as the way to act and be always active, always in the move. My message is to you, stop doing, relax. Find the calm that you need to have when you are in the receiver mode. When you put more time and space for silence, for reflection, for thinking, for not doing anything, just being around nature, being around your kids, I can reassure you, you will stabilize your emotional state. You'll be much more stable. You will be much more joyful. And from this place of joy, you will start to receive. Because we'll never receive if we're too much into action mode and too much into masculine energy. And this is where the money flow stops. It can be controversial, okay? I totally get it. Maybe you don't even understand what I'm talking about, but it's fine. You can just add some comments below this video. Tell me if you understand what I'm talking about. But if you feel that the money flow is low, you need to stop doing and start receiving. Because that's so easy. Money is the flow, okay? It's going in, out, going in, out. But when you see nothing is going in or too much is going out, is that because there is energy leaks. You're losing too much of energy, too much of thinking, too much of doing, and you don't leave enough of space for thinking, for reflecting, for enjoying. So we cannot receive. The doors are closed. And you can move more, you can move faster, you can do more, but you will only continue to closing the doors and stop receiving. Because this is what you send basically as a message to the universe. You say, hey, I'm doing too much and I will keep doing, so wait, wait until I'm ready to receive. And when are you ready to receive? Well, I don't know. I'm too busy to do things. Okay, fine. Just knock me in when you're ready to receive, okay? Okay, fine. I will continue to do whatever I've been doing before. You see? So think of your business a little bit different. If you are in this stuck mode, nothing comes in and you feel you're losing your ground, stop. Stop doing whatever you've been doing before. Stop doing now. Just stop for today. Cut the noise and reflect, okay? Because when you cut the noise, when you stay in silence, you start receiving. You start receiving what? Messages, ideas. And these creative ideas will be maybe your next path where you can make money. This is where you need to execute, not before. Which basically means you need to stop doing whatever you've been doing because it's not working anymore. And when you stay in silence and you reflect, you receive another type of messages, you will start doing something that will be much more profitable. It doesn't mean you will change your business. It doesn't mean that. It just means maybe you will find another market, another opportunity, another product for your business. And you will become better because you will learn how to adapt to this new situation. But you cannot bring into the new market, new environment, your old stuff. It will not work. There is a true, real lineup between what you've been doing before that was working, okay, fine, but today it doesn't work because the market has changed. There is no more the same people who buy the same stuff. And maybe your stuff can be bought by someone else, but you don't know that. You're too busy doing. You don't reflect. You don't receive any kind of information. So receiver mode means we stay mostly in our feminine energy. So we don't do anything, we receive, okay? It equals for men and women. It doesn't mean that because you're a man, you cannot receive and you are not in your feminine energy. All of us have this balance of energies. But where there is a disbalance, something will stop, like money. Money will stop if there is a disbalance. So think of it as a way for you to reflect on your current situation, take time for you, spend time with your friends, family, kids, where you enjoy yourself, spend more time with yourself, do some activities that brings you joy, and then you will see how the ideas will start flowing. And from that point, you can come up with better ideas and generate more money for your business than you do now. And what I have noticed that in fashion especially, I see founders who are just tired. They're tired of doing what they've been doing. And you know what their decision is? I'm always very upset with this kind of decisions. Their decision is to close their businesses because they're too tired. Well, my message to you, if you are thinking of closing your business, before you do that, go out. Take some time for you, for yourself. Go to make some swimming, walking, sport, whatever, vacations. Take some time for you, reflect on your situation, and then come back when you're ready to receive. You will receive more information, more ideas, and you will know which way to go, okay? But it doesn't mean you need to close something because you are tired of doing it. It means that you are empty. Your cup is empty. And when your cup is empty, you cannot continue going it. You need to fill the cup. You need to fill yourself. You need to feel good about what you're doing. So if you find yourself in this situation when you're ready to close your business because you're like tired of doing it, nothing comes in, you too much of energy for nothing, you are too much in your masculine energy. Stop. Stop doing, start receiving. Find your feminine side, receive. Okay, I hope this message resonates with you. I would really appreciate some comments below my video so I can see your reaction. I can see if my message resonates with you. This is what I wanted to share with you today. I'm really pleased to see you with me and see you in the next one. Bye.